Country people, una welcome to Munich Media Sports segment. If not your first time with our channel, I beg make you subscribe if you never do so. Also put on your notification button so you're going to receive alert each time we drop our updates. No forget to like, share and comment on all our videos. Today on Munich Media Sports, make we first give una the gist as it is hot for inside the transfer market. Waiting they play for the transfer market. The first update, Super Eagles winger Moses Simon done complete his signing to newly promoted French Ligue 1 side Paris FC for the sum of 7 million euros. No be small money with that. Congratulations to Moses Simon on that deal. We wish him many success in that journey. This deal go see Moses Simon play for Paris FC until the end of 2028. The second update from the transfer market. Real Madrid player Luka Modric done ready to come out from Real Madrid to go join AC Milan as in contract with Los Blancos don't expire and him don't become free agent to sign with AC Milan. According to Italian sports journalist Fabrizio Romano, Luka Modric they expected to complete in medicals for San Siro after him come back from the FIFA Club World Cup where him go with Real Madrid. Alright. Arsenal and Chelsea don't shake hands as them complete their business. Arsenal don't sign Chelsea goalkeeper Kepa Arrizabalaga for £5 million. And Arsenal they expect Arrizabalaga to land London this week. So Manchester United winger Jadon Sancho don't finally reach agreement with Fenerbahce. According to Turkish outlet Sabaspor, Sancho don't accept Fenerbahce £8.5 million annual salary. And now Manchester United and Fenerbahce will come sit down to talk on transfer fee. Now make we go over to the results of matches from the FIFA Club World Cup competition. We go start our analysis from Group C. The first game for Group C now between Auckland City and Boca Juniors.